welcome to the symposium. It's extraordinarily exciting to actually start this program, and this isn't just a one-off event. This is a rolling program of us engaging the really critical decision makers, the scientists and other important people right across Australia to explain to you, to engage you, to educate you in the value and quality of the Antarctic science that's underway. This is about Australia's leadership in Antarctic science and the connection between Antarctic science and Australia and the decision making that occurs here. It's about why Antarctic science matters, why it matters not just to Australia but to the world. It's about the remarkable scientists, engineers, operators and specialists who actually work in the Antarctic program every day, and you'll see just a small sample of those amazing people today. I encourage you all to take the opportunity today to engage. The quality of what we deliver is really about the diversity of thought and collaboration that occurs in our program. I'd like to begin the program by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land, the Ngunnawal people. I wish to acknowledge and respect their continuing culture and the contribution they make, and acknowledge and welcome any other Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islanders who are here. It's particularly important for us because the traditional owners of the land are really the first scientists, and we carry on this really important tradition of research and curiosity and discovery in our work that's happening today. It's even more important for those of us that are based in Kingston, the Australian Antarctic Division. We are there with on the Palawa Nation. We are there with the Muinina people. Our ship is named the Noyina, the Southern Lights, and so we carry that connection with the Indigenous owners, not just in our day-to-day work, but in our travels into the Antarctic. The AAP is one of the great world polar programs, and we sometimes forget the value and the quality of the program we deliver. It's based around these significant government assets that we own and have custodian responsibility for. The 4 key stations, Mawson, Davis, and Casey on the Antarctic continent, and then of course Macquarie Island in the sub-Antarctic. They are permanent year-round stations, and they're supplemented by Wilkins, which provides us a summer-only station for our entry in and out. We sustain and support a team of expeditioners, up to 500 over the summer period and as low as 100 in the winter period, who are down there sustaining and maintaining the stations and undertaking essential scientific research. We bring to that a huge range of mobile assets, hundreds of flights every year, a fleet of shipping that leaves Hobart and travels to Antarctica. Our new icebreaker, the RSV Noyina, is that central lifeline that delivers our capability. But much more than that, it is the world's most powerful research vessel, and it brings to us this extraordinary capability to deliver science and deliver science continuously in ways that we are yet to fully discover. The Australian Defence Force is integrally linked to our work, and Operation Southern Discovery gives us essential capabilities heading south. Our program has partnerships well beyond Australia. We link in, of course, with the ARC-funded activities, the science work that takes us into the universities and other research institutions. But through our links with the Antarctic Treaty System and our operational link through COMNAP, we reach out to nations right across the world. Antarctic science is complex, and its success lies in collaboration and engagement, locally and internationally. If you picture what's happening in Antarctica right now, at Casey it's minus 25 degrees, at Mawson it's minus 25 degrees, but at Davis it's a balmy minus 18. The sun is just above the horizon for the first time after months of no sun. Our expeditioners have no melatonin. They burst into tears when their toast gets burnt. This is the lowest time of the year for them. And we know this in Kingston because our greatest responsibility is to care for those expeditioners going south. Our stations are remote and inaccessible throughout the winter, and they are connected through a wafer-thin line of communications. Fortunately, it's just thick enough to allow YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, and other really essential communication tools. Our pipeline into Antarctica is very narrow, and whatever we plan is immediately disrupted by the A factor, whatever the weather throws at us. These remarkable people on station now have a direct link in their courage, in their curiosity, in their sense of adventure, with the same people that established these stations for the first time over 75 years ago. The success in our program depends on the diversity and courage and curiosity of those people and many of the people in this room. As the world changes, both geopolitically and environmentally, our work has never been more important. We have a community and government that are absolutely focused on the outcomes that we're delivering, on those big questions about the environment, and Antarctica has the answers. What you will see today is some of those questions and some of those answers in the presentations from the remarkable scientists we have here today. I'd like now to hand over for the opening address to the Secretary of the Department of Climate Change, Energy, Environment and Water, David Fredericks. Secretary.